We built a Shopify dropshipping store with a limited budget of just $1,000, all revolving around my cat. Say hi. Let's go see what happened. So what's tonight, man?
Dude, we're launching probably one of the biggest, craziest like TikTok brands that we're gonna ever have
to exist
in the world.
And tonight's the night we choose the name and launch.
Literally. So we're just hopping into the office here. Look at this crappy app, man. I don't know who made this thing, but it's, I don't f***ing know. You gotta send it.
As long as we can get in.
Yeah, it works. No one's here right now. We have the whole place to ourselves. Just hop this way. And maybe we should turn the lights off. I think we should turn the lights off, yeah.
Let's just get to work, boy.
Yeah, man, we gotta figure this out. We have a lot of things to do. We have to cop the domain.
We gotta choose his domain name.
We gotta choose a domain. We have to dial in the content situation. Like, we're gonna make Corey pretty much a celebrity on this TikTok page.
Corey and Monty.
And his cat, man. It's gonna be crazy.
My cat's name is Monty.
So, this is a little tour of the office. It's a little bit dark right now, but we shut off the lights. But we have our lights set up from last time.
And we don't own every office here, guys.
Yeah.
We own one
but
box.
Eventually, yeah.
Not yet.
So,
this is ours.
yeah, this is the space, guys. Take a look. Okay, guys, what's good? So, we're actually just about to cop the domain for the TikTok store that we're launching. This is gonna be crazy, man. Like, this could actually be a brand, or I don't even know. Like, we're planning on doing pretty big things with this. I mean, we're gonna get this page to go crazy. So, we ended up coming up with Hungry Monty.
15 minutes later.
Yeah.
We got it going.
And we have the domain here on GoDaddy.
Available. And we're gonna make it ours right now.
I think we're gonna cop this, yeah. Hungry Monty. You excited?
Holy. Pretty excited.
That's pretty cool, man.
All right, I want to take one more break from today's video to tell you guys about BeProfit and how they're helping us actually keep track of everything going on behind the scenes. You know, as an e-commerce operator, you care about one or two main things: revenue and profit. If you don't get those numbers right, you're gonna get everything else wrong. And so it all starts with using an app like BeProfit. We can track your ad spend, COGS, pretty much anything you can imagine. They're gonna catch and make sure that you're being profitable. So on this store, you know, we ran this much in ads, we got this much in sales. It becomes a lot of moving parts, especially those smaller things like transaction fees and all those small little fees for shipping. Those all get accounted for and more with BeProfit, and so it's really easy to get started. Instead of having to worry about getting a desktop, all this stupid downloads, BeProfit can go wherever you go. So instead of having to lug around your laptop and track all these boring metrics, you can easily open it up on your phone, go to their mobile-friendly website, and see every single metric you could think of. And if you're an operator that's not using a tool like this, you're pretty much just missing out, and money is gonna flow out of your company, and you won't even know about it until months later, and it becomes a mess. BeProfit's available on Shopify and all the other top e-commerce platforms. Last but not least, they go above and beyond just profit tracking with cohort analysis, customer reporting, insights to boost profits, and etc. Any metric that you could think of in your sleep is on BeProfit. So right now I'm just importing the product name and the product cost, and then we're gonna figure out selling prices for each one to make sure that we have good profit margins for the site, which is usually around 70-80% gross margins.
So how many products are you putting on there?
I don't know. I'm thinking like 5 to 10.
We haven't drop shipped since 19?
I feel like 17 again. It's like Zac Efron.
This man literally feels like he's 17 right now, and we're like 21, 22 doing
The
this
shipping
shit.
times.
Yeah, we have not done this for a long time, guys, so this is gonna be
Import
relatively
list.
new for us, but I'm telling you, with the experience we got, we can f***ing make this go crazy. So right now we're actually just editing a couple, like literally one of the first Monty videos, and...
Wait a Pinky. Why you cry so much? It's outside.
So we're gonna add text on those. Okay, so the first ever TikTok on Hungry Monty is live. It's 11:46 Eastern time. The video is live. I made a little compilation of Monty just chilling on his couch there. It's 3 clips, 9 seconds long, 3 cuts with 1 hook. He doesn't like when I'm near him. Fuck's sake, it's just me.
Nothing? What are you up to? You're so lazy.
This is literally what it takes, guys. If you're not willing to go the extra mile or go the distance like this, guys, go to the office, grind till f***ing 12 a.m. to make TikToks, you ain't doing it. You just ain't doing it.
This is the ad studio library creation time. We got a stage, a litter box. We got one of the products that we're gonna sell here. So we're gonna do a demo, UGC style, over in the better lighting in that room. So let's do it. Some cat shit in there, so let's get scooping.
I don't think we have him on video yet. I think it's like the first time.
This is the main character of our video, guys.
Oh,
this
fuck.
is Monty. Say hi. Okay.
Oh shit. In for a fun time, buddy.
Now keep him busy, because this is the end-all be-all dropshipper product. So if you are a newbie, low budget, this is what you sell. We got one really quick overnight from Amazon. It's time to make this cat go crazy with it.
Holy shit.
Pull out game.
Pull-out game's pretty good.
It's so good.
Do it.
Yes, yes.
Can you scream yes maybe? Oh, yeah, or something like that. Like, just do something stupid.
Yes, this is a game changer.
That's kind of like, yeah.
Gay or good?
Like,
not good.
Like everyone uses that term.
Okay, I got you. Ready? Keep rolling.
I'm rolling.
Gentlemen, my girlfriend always makes me scoop the cat litter. So I bought this thing for 30 bucks from Hungry Monty. Game changer.
It's a lot of
That's a lot of poop. This is a lot of poop.
This is one of the second products.
You are my best friend. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. He always like resets after 2 seconds, you know? He's mad and he just resets.
He's like a robot.
Yeah, he just restarts. He's like normal again. Isn't that right, hey buddy? Let's do push-ups while I talk to you, okay? Because I'm just a big guy, I guess. That's what the audience likes. Ready? You're awesome. I love you. Come here. Have a kiss. Have a kiss. Alright, so the website is now fully built out. We are super pumped to go launch ads and make videos for you guys in the next part of this video, but I wanted to make a quick stop in this video and just describe how exactly we're fulfilling orders. You see, a few years ago when we first started dropshipping, we were using Oberlo, and although that is good, you don't really know who these suppliers are. Enter Zendrop into the photo. These are the people that will be fulfilling all of our orders for this store. Again, Zendrop is different from most competitors because they actually own every single product that you're fulfilling from them. Like their entire supply chain is in-house. So you know when you're buying from a good vendor versus a bad one, and all those bad ones are simply vetted out. So if you're a brand new dropshipper and you want to minimize the risk of having low quality products and bad shipping times, use Zendrop to import products to your store, fulfill orders with ease, it's all automatic, and guarantee that you know that you're getting a good quality product to all your customers to then boost customer retention rate, have satisfaction, etc. For your next dropshipping store you have, make sure you have Zendrop installed, and let's get right back into launching ads now, baby. Let's go.
Okay, so the store is finally done.
It's done. And my cat is about to go viral on TikTok. We're gonna make videos this week for ads and show you guys exactly how it's going down. We already have a few TikToks that are posted.
So far, we've posted about 12 videos on the page. Only one of them has 800 views, but that's because we've been on and off with it. But we are still posting consistently as of today.
But need to post some more and then run those ads after Black Friday probably, and we'll see how much revenue we can make. I'm hyped.
Yo, what's up, boys? So the store was made pretty quickly. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna show you guys what was exactly done from our boy James Hunter, or Hunter James. Is his name Hunter? Hunter James, awesome guy. He reached out to me on Instagram saying he can make stores for us, and I was a little skeptical at first because I don't usually like respond to my DMs with people like giving me stuff through DMs, but I wanted to give him a chance, and I'm really happy I did. So I'm gonna show you guys the store and see what's up there.
Meow. Meow.
Made a couple ads in the TikTok account. I have some going on here. Made a couple drafts.
Let's see the hook.
There's no text yet, but here, like this one here, it's Monty climbing the wall, and he put a hole in the wall, but he didn't actually do that. He just like playing around. But the reason why he put a hole in the wall is because people are gonna watch the rest of this video thinking he put a hole in the wall, but he actually didn't. It's just clickbait. So that's like, obviously there's gonna be an intention to watch.
I'm gonna show you mine a bit. I think they're better.
Yeah, it's fine. Like I gotta edit it. And then this one here.
That's an ad?
Let's do push-ups while I talk
Yeah,
to you.
I want to join the rest.
I'm just a big guy, I guess. The audience like, ready? You're awesome. I love you.
Like, why not, right? We have nothing to fucking lose with this.
Alright, so Anthony made his videos. I made mine. Pretty confident in these. This is the first hook that I got with. This is my favorite one.
These actually smell really good.
Maybe we should add some music in that.
And now?
That's the first one, pretty quick. And this one. I like this one because I'm sad.
If I had a vagina, I'd love this.
Oh, one adds to women.
Anyways, guys, I think the plan right now is to actually take these clips that we're making in Adobe. I don't know why Corey uses Adobe. I use my phone, it's just a lot easier. And I think we're just gonna run these on Black Friday. Like,
it. Like, what do we have to lose, right? Like, people are more intended to buy on this day, so might as well just run ads and see how it goes, right?
All right, so closing thoughts on the video. We are now done with this store. Although we didn't give it our absolute best effort, I'm pretty confident that with the right amount of content being put out on TikTok, this can actually become a lucrative business and make sales every day through TikTok for free. So if you're a dropshipper, if you're young, if you're just starting out and you want to do this, don't do Facebook ads, don't do Instagram, focus on TikTok organic, sell stuff that you can actually relate to, and it should work out. Catch you guys in the next video. And again, big thanks to Zendrock and Be Profit for being our sponsors. Check you guys out in the description. Peace.